Alright, so here we got a V100 dash camera, which is 2.5K. It comes in like this, wrapped. Pretty generic box. Go ahead and open it up. And we can see a little picture here of what it looks like. So here we have a quick guide of how to get started. Connect the dash cam to your phone. It is Wi-Fi capable, by the way. Alright, and then we got the camera here itself. Very nice. It's quite small, pretty lightweight. Got a sticker up here to stick it to the window. SD card's already inside, and we got the USB Type-C there for the power. So let's see. So the SD card is a 32 gig. Looks like a pretty generic one. Pretty reasonable size and really nice that it comes with the dash cam. So this does swivel, so you can aim it pretty much anywhere. Looks like we got some kind of venting or speaker there. Also here on this side, and a couple buttons on the back side. Looks like power button and a camera button, or like that, and a couple LED lights there. Yeah, and that's what the lens looked like there. So let's see what else we got here. All right, so we got the power adapter, and then also we got a little tool here to hide the wire around the trim of your vehicle. Looks like an extra sticker here. You also get a user manual that goes into detail here of everything that's included, how to set it up and stick it to the window and things like that. And obviously you do control everything from the app. And here we also get a couple stick-ons, I guess, on your window, and then you can stick that to this, and that helps it where you can peel it off easier and replace it. So all right, so here we are in the vehicle, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick this thing on somewhere over here, because that's where the camera will be, and then we'll stick the camera to this, and that'll make it a lot easier to take it off later. So it's a little hard to see, but I got the film stuck on there, and so now I can put the camera on. So it's going to be kind of behind this mirror, out of my view, which is what I want. All right, so I installed the camera, and you guys can see I stuck it kind of there on the edge. Really didn't put that film, but I didn't want it to be seen, so it's kind of close also to here. So it's really camouflaged and out of the way. Went ahead and plugged in the power, USB Type-C. Let's go ahead and plug it in.
Thanks for using the Wi-Fi Dash Cam. Start recording.
So as you guys can hear, it talks and it is recording, and there's a couple lights here that I can't really show you, but they are glowing. One's blue and one's red. But it does talk and indicate that it is recording, which is a good thing because there's no screen to tell you that. And there you go. You guys can see this is what it looks like, and we can go actually full screen there. And yeah, pretty darn good quality. It looks like I got it pretty much perfect here. I can move it up and down.
Take a photo.
Okay, I accidentally pushed the take a photo button on the camera itself. But yeah, it goes down quite a lot. You can see the dash there, or up if you want it to go up. So yeah, as long as you get the horizontal orientation correct. Pretty good depth of field. Not too wide, but wide enough to see in front of you. I think I might go up just a little bit here. Something like that probably is perfect. And yeah, that should be good right there.